I want to introduce you to the site to social tool that I've generated for WordPress. This is going to help you to generate posts that you can share on social media from your current blog posts or your custom post types, even your products, basically anywhere where you've built out some content. Now, I want to make clear, this is not using any AIs. There's no API credits usage. You don't have to connect to ChatGPT or Claude or anything like that. What this will do is take your content and generate posts. Now, on this example website, I've only got posts, but if I had a custom post type or I had products, you could just go and tick them. And this has been tested out with a few people. At any time when you have gone and selected something, just go in, hit save settings, and then refresh the page, and it will give you a list of all your content. This could be really, really big. It all depends on how much you have on your website. So what I'm going to say is I want to generate a post, a social media post, for every single item that I've got down here, and these are all real blog posts. Now I'm going to say just give me one post per item. Now I've set the max characters of these posts to be 280. The reason being is if I'm now going to copy and paste them into Twitter X, that's going to be your limit, so it's okay to be less than that. Now, if you want to schedule these out on Buffer or other places, you can do, and I'm going to show you that the moment we've generated. But this will not automatically schedule. So I want to make that clear. We're not using any AI. We're not using any API credits. We're not doing any Zapier or any other connections like that. If you want to build this out to do that, you could do. But this is free to use. And anyone, any business that has got any anyone who's got posts, all right, blog posts, products, you could have like a team post. Maybe you've built something out, and you are struggling at the moment to think of content. Maybe your clients are as well. Like, oh, I've got all these posts and all I ever do is just share the link. Now you can be a bit more versatile. So we're going to leave all these settings. Just make sure you've hit save settings anytime you change it. And then I'm going to hit generate. And watch what happens when I click this. This is all in real time. I think there's a total of 13 or 14 posts there. 13. And it's gone and generated them. What it does is hook into your post and look for anchors, statements, things like that, and it expands on them. And if you wanted to have 5 posts per item, of course it will depend on how much content you have in your post. If you only got 2 lines, you're not going to get much. But if you've got like a meaty post, say it's 1,000 words or something, or characters, whatever, you could generate a lot. So what you get is a link, so you could just go and copy and paste this. By the way, look, copy, go and paste it. But if we now go down, can you see how it's creating these posts for us? And this is not picking up the excerpt. This is not even just picking up the first paragraph. This is hooking into your content. And I'm going to prove it even more. Let me just go and clear all of these. And I am now going to exclude everything except the very first one. There was quite a few there, but I've now hidden all of them except the first one. Hit save settings. Anytime you come back into this, it will remember what you excluded. I'm now going to say, give me 5 posts for that one post. Okay, let's hit save settings and now generate. And that will now create for the same post. Look, better parents for children with ADHD. We've got a post over there. We've got a post over here, another one here, another one here, and another one there. It's hooking into your content and it is creating words for you. Now, this is not hugely expansive. There are limitations as to how this is built, but I've spent a lot of time. This is actually version 32 that I eventually said, right, now I'm happy with it. So this will now create loads of posts. So if you're now using Twitter or LinkedIn or something, you could just copy and paste them in. Or what you could also do is click Export CSV. When you click that, it will create a CSV that will go to your downloads folder. And there's my 5 posts. So I could now copy and paste it or add it, say, to a Buffer template, or if you're using some social media. I want to repeat myself, okay? This will not automatically send it to any social media platform. And the reason I didn't do that was because I wanted to keep this lightweight, easy, without having to expend or use any API credits or go through any funky special connections. Now, the other thing you can do is email. So if you entered in an email address and you click email all posts, that will then send it to maybe a client or somebody else. And look, you can see it on screen. That came within seconds. So again, I could copy and paste them. I could schedule them. I could send them off to someone else. You could even do this for your clients as well, maybe on a weekly or a daily basis, or how often you want to do it. And look, I've just gone and cleared it and run it again, and it comes out with another 5 different. I mean, you will get a little bit of repetition, but you just schedule these out. And if you don't like it, well, when you copy paste it, you go and refine it. And if you want to make it longer, look, let me make a point here, right? Let's clear the generated posts. And I'm now going to say, let's make this be 1,000 characters. Let's hit save settings. I'm going to stay on the same post, so I'm excluding everything else. And now I'm going to generate. And look at that. That's how quick it was. And look what it's gone and created. It is picking up words. Now, the post I had was 1,000 words. But it's picking up so much information here. So I could now, if you've like got a Twitter Plus account, so you can paste more than 280 characters, or you're going to send this off to LinkedIn, or, you know, go copy and paste it in. You've now got these, and it has the link in there as well. So when you paste it, it will link back to your post. This is free to do, and it is with a code snippet. In fact, I should have mentioned this earlier on, right? Code snippet, link for this is in the video description. You just go and add it to code snippet, save and activate, give it a title, and then the tool will sit inside of tools, and it's currently called Site to Social. You go in and look, it won't remove these posts until you go and clear it. And if you want to generate more, I mean, there is a limit, okay? If you were to go and do 20 posts per item, let's just hit save settings, and then I'm going to hit generate. It will, it's gone and done 20. Sometimes you might not get fully 20, and you will get a bit of repetition. Like you will see words being repeated. Like, look, because children with ADHD often experience, because the ADHD brain, you will get stuff where there might, I mean, that wasn't a proper duplicate of what we had above. And you might just want to go through the content. But if you've got, you know, you're regularly creating posts, or your client is, and now they're going, oh, we need to do a bit of marketing, social media, don't know what to paste, don't know what to put out there. This even, in a way, is giving you a mini script as well for a video. Imagine you go and say, right, I want all of my posts and my characters to be no more than, say, 300 characters, right? Let's just go and do this, right? Generate the post. Look how quick it does it. You can now record a quick short, and then you got a link going off elsewhere. This is going to help so many people out with marketing. My name's Imran from Web Squadron. I'm always liking. I hope you're always subscribing, share and follow. Go and check out our exclusive videos on our YouTube channel. Take care. See you soon. Bye.